If you want to record sounds on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, you can use the recorder that you should be able to find, for instance, in the app drawer. Over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find recorder somewhere. In my case, it is over here, so I can tap on it. And now in order to start recording, we can press this red button over here. If you do this for the first time, you will need to grant permissions to record, to use the microphone, etc. So of course you want to grant that those permissions for this app to be able to record and save those voice recordings. Once you are done, you can press this red check over here. You can also just pause by pressing this button here and then start again. Renew the recording by pressing the plus button. You can create those checkpoints or marks with the timestamps, and of course you can delete them as well. And there you go, let's save it. All your recordings will be stored over here in the same app. You can also switch to different categories over here, and if you can play the recording as well, so you can press play in order to quickly start listening to the recording, or you can tap on this whole tile in order to find everything else. We can also find the text over here if you enable AI subtitles, and so on and so forth. You can adjust the speed over here in the bottom right corner. And if you press and hold your finger on the voice recording, then you also find some additional options. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!